Welcome to Buy, Hold, Sell. I'm Jeremy Hook from TMS Capital. With me today on the panel is Jelena Stevanovic from Platypus and James Miller from Firetrail. There are some terrific mid-cap companies in the Australian market. The ones we want to focus on today for this session is the ones that return a very good return on equity, something above 15%, 3 years in a row in the last 3 years, and we thank Bloomberg data for that. We're going to look firstly at QANTAS. Jelena, what do you think? Buy, hold, sell.
It's a hold for me. Look, QANTAS is operating in a better environment than where it exited second half of last year in terms of fuel costs as well as its international portfolio, but it is trading at a 2-time P premium to its listed peers, so at this level it's a hold.
Okay, a hold for you, Jelena. James, QANTAS taking off, buy, hold, sell.
QANTAS is a buy. There's two crown jewels in that business. It's got a frequent flyer business, which is attached to 35% of all credit card transactions in Australia. That's growing at double digits. And then you've got a domestic franchise, which has had 5 years of industry rationality. So QANTAS is undervalued. Okay, good one.
Medibank Private, since it listed, it hasn't received much of the rave reviews of a lot of stocks. It's done pretty well. Buy, hold, sell.
Hold on that one. It's a great asset. It's about 25% of health insurance members in Australia, and I think that will look attractive to an acquirer at some stage, but right now you're paying about 21 times PE for not much earnings growth. It's a hold.
Yeah, they're losing members and no real earnings growth at the moment, but a good basic business. Buy, hold, sell, Jelena.
To sell for me, it's, to your point, trading at a top end of its PE range. At EPS growth profile is flat at best. Capping health insurance premium increases is still front of mind on political agenda. All that in mind, hard to see earnings growth.
Okay. Now, Scali's been a really good stock for a long time, but just last month a profit warning. Buy, hold, sell.
Look, sell for me, despite recent derating. The trading update provided by the company was significantly worse than a lot of its listed peers. It should benefit from improving domestic housing market. However, really downbeat trading update can't not question company execution at this point.
Interesting. James, it did bounce after being sold off pretty aggressively. Buy, hold, sell on Scali.
It's a hold for us, and that's really around timing. It is going to be a great beneficiary of this house price and house transaction lag, but that's probably 6 months away.
Yeah, okay. Now, A2 Milk, since its result in August, has gone sour. It's gone down, back $12 now. Is that a buy, hold, sell?
It's a great company and we've owned it in the past, but right now it's a sell. And the reason for that is that the China infant formula market has got competition heating up, and there's higher costs as well in terms of serving the channels there too. So short-term earnings pressure, but medium-term it's a good company.
Okay, Jelena, A2 Milk, is that to your liking?
Look, it's a hold for me. There's no doubt the low-hanging fruit in the China infant formula market has been picked, and the company needs to invest in various marketing initiatives to grow further. But the US opportunity is immature, and it's a huge potential. The company has a strong track record of executing. There's no reason to believe they won't be able to replicate success in the US market.
Another going very well in the US is Credit Corp. It's almost doubled this year. Buy, hold, sell.
Sell purely on valuation. To your point, they have excellent track record of delivering earnings growth, have proven themselves to have good risk management and pricing strategy, but on valuation it's a sell.
Okay, James, do you agree? Is it too expensive? Buy, hold, sell.
It's a hold, and the main reason is valuation. It's been growing at a great rate because it's been buying these debt ledgers up to grow earnings, but when cash flow is severely lagged from where earnings are, we struggle with valuation.
So we've given you 5 terrific stocks to look at, but James and Jelena quite rightly don't think all of them are buyers at the moment.